gluten-free chocolate mug cake is so rich and decadent and chocolatey and moist, and it's consistent really with the kind of chocolate cake you would buy at a nice restaurant, but you actually don't even have to go out for chocolate cake when you can make this at home in a few minutes. I love my lazy chocolate frosting, which of course you just saw, smush the melted chocolate chips on top, but you could also use real chocolate frosting. You could also put nuts on top, berries on top, shredded coconut on top. There is just so many ways to enjoy this. Any flavor that goes well with rich, dark chocolate goes perfectly with this cake. It's so easy to mix the ingredients and then microwave it for about a minute. Everyone's microwave is different, so you're gonna wanna take a toothpick and check it, and if it comes out clean, you're golden. If not, I'd give it like another 15 seconds or so. Even after it's done, it's gonna be really hot, so let it sit for a minute, and then once it's a temperature you like, you can enjoy it. This healthy, vegan, gluten-free chocolate mug cake is also whole food plant-based, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, and just the perfect way to satisfy that craving for chocolate cake when you don't want to leave the house or make a full cake and turn on the oven. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes, and I will see you on the next one.